In this video, I'm going to show you how I cook salmon on a cedar plank in my Weber grill. The cedar plank will add a lot of flavor to the salmon, and the first step is actually to soak it in warm water for about an hour or more. This will prevent the cedar plank from burning over the charcoals. While it's soaking, I've got my dry rub here for the salmon, and this is a recipe for my dry rub. This recipe is for 4 servings, but you have to multiply it based on the amount of salmon you have. So for 4 servings, it has 1 teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Prepare your grill. I use a charcoal chimney to light the charcoal, and I set it up for indirect cooking. I then place the cedar planks onto the charcoal to bake them. This gets them ready, releases the flavor, and once they're ready after 15 minutes, you flip them over. So the hot side is where you're going to be cooking your salmon. Place the salmon with the skin side down over the cedar planks. I've got 2 large pieces of salmon here. And to be efficient while I'm cooking the salmon, I actually put other things like Filipino barbecue and hot dogs over the charcoal. This allows me to be more efficient with the space on my Weber grill. I'm using the indirect method. This means that the charcoals are set to the top and bottom of the Weber grill, but there's a cold area in between. This allows me to avoid overcooking the salmon. It takes about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more, but once you're ready, you'll know it's ready once you take a knife or a fork through the middle of the salmon and it looks fully cooked inside. Once it's ready, take it off the grill and bring it in. You can actually serve it right off of that cedar plank. This will free up space on your grill to cook other things like vegetables and more Filipino barbecue. So this salmon on the cedar plank was a great hit. Here it is on the dinner table during the party. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I've got other cooking videos on my channel. Thanks!